What's the meaning of coal mine? Coal mine. Coal mine.
Coal mine. Coal mine. A coal mine is a location where coal is extracted from the ground for use as a source of energy. The process of mining involves digging deep into the earth to extract the coal, which is then transported to power plants or other facilities for use. Coal mining can be dangerous and has often been associated with health problems and environmental damage. Despite these issues, coal has been a major source of energy for many years and continues to play an important role in meeting the world's energy needs.